taping and backfilling a split window so I can come through here and paint it, and then when I pull the tape it should have a nice straight tape line. If you want, I got a video showing how I cleaned the old tape line up, and you can watch that to see how I got all the old stuff out and off, and now I can do this process. But this is a easier way to make it little, so you don't have to like cut it out by hand. You can just bump the tape. I think it's easier sometimes just to be able to like smack the tape with the paintbrush. You don't have to be so neat and careful with it when you're trying to cut everything out by hand. It does help with that part of the, like, it does speed up the process when you ain't got to worry about keeping paint off everything. So tape and backfilling does help with that, and it gives you a nice crisp tape line too. Now when you do this process, you want to make sure that when you put your backfill in there, which is your caulking, that you fill the hole in and you get the tape off you get the caulking off the tape. So when you wipe the caulking, you want to make sure that you can see the tape line, because if the caulking's too thick, like say if you just caulk it and then wipe your finger down it and you can't see that tape edge, you want to make sure that you keep wiping until you do, because if you can't see that tape edge, the tape itself's not strong enough to pull itself to cut it, to give you the nice cut line. So make sure that when you do backfill that you get that tape edge showing. That way when you paint it and then you pull it, the tape's strong enough to cut through it. Because if not, it'll rip in little areas, it'll rip in little pieces, and then you have to get a knife out and actually cut the tape and make your own line. And it's just not worth it at that point. So I got videos on here that if you look on my channel, I show you how to actually tape and backfill to where it cuts through the caulking. So if you want to see stuff like that, you're more welcome to. But I was just showing how to do a split window on this one. I didn't go in that much detail about caulking and stuff like that. Like, that's a whole nother rabbit hole. But you're more welcome to go to my channel and see if there's something in there that interests you. I tried to do something new all the time, so if it's something new to me, it's something new on here, and it's something that I deal with every day. I just want to make sure that I can help somebody else out with it. So if I can help you, then I'm grateful for that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'm trying to get it monetized, and any helps help. I mean, if you want to leave a comment, tell me what you think, I'm more welcome for that, because I'd like to get feedback from you guys. That way I can see what I need to do with showing you guys different stuff. And as far as that goes, it helps with YouTube getting me unmonetized, which that's what my main goal is, to get to 500 subscribers so I can get unmonetized. And after that, I won't be in YouTube jail. But if you got anything from this, just hit that subscribe button, because it's totally free. And I'm really grateful for it. And hit that like button and leave a comment if you want. No pressure. But just make sure that when you do this process, you give yourself enough room between the actual piece of trim that you're taping off and the actual backfilling area that you're trying to do. You only want it to be about a 1/16 of an inch past that trim onto that plastic. You want to take it right up to the edge of it. Don't put the tape under the trim. You just want to run it right in the front of it, and you want your corners to be a nice 45, where one point goes into the other, and you want one piece of tape to run straight across. You don't want it to be all lumpy, because it does matter when you pull it. You'll notice it'll have a sag in it, or it'll be like so tight you can't pull it. So you want to get about 1/16 of an inch out past that. Like I said, I got a video that shows all that stuff. So if you want to get more into detail about how to tape and backfill, you're more welcome to do that. This video was to show how to do a split window, because you can't paint plastic, and that piece I'm taping off is plastic. So it's just one of those things. If you want to see how to tape and backfill, I got a video for that, so you're more welcome to click on it and watch it. But stay tuned, because I got a new video coming out with me painting the window, and then I'm going to put another video out with me painting it and pulling it. I just wanted to wait until I got the window painted before I pull it and then take a picture and take a video of it. It should be on there tomorrow. But God bless you. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff on my channel. More welcome to look at it. Love you.